Good morning, traders. Welcome to the Mini Thunderdome. We are live August 25th, 2022. If you're new to the channel, we're a channel that streams live ES and MES trades. If you do follow any of our trades, you're doing so at your own risk. We're not liable for any losses or damages. Okay. Hope everyone's doing well. Good morning. Good morning. Yesterday ended up being a great day. My analysis was completely right as far as where the market was gonna go on my ETH trade. I was expecting the market to get up to 60. It got up all the way to 57, but it took RTH to get it up there. So if I wasn't stopped out, I would have just kept that RTH trade and it would have gone to target. Actually, yesterday as I was working on my charts, I was able to go and take a short right before IB high was done. So I believe I went short at 39, and then I added the top and I added the bottom and went all the way down to the mid to 31. So I actually ended up the day with about 1600. So it was a great day, but I ended early and tried to take a little nap before going down to San Diego, but I couldn't accomplish a nap. But I did see that the market reached 57, and I told my son, who's an option trader, to go short, and he took a really nice SPY from I believe short at 415 I think to 410. I'm not sure on its exit, but as soon as I saw that 57, I knew it was time to go short. So he did well on that. All right, very interesting morning as far as the overnight. It's been a occurrence lately. The market has only been able to move to certain levels on the overnight. So 80 was a big level, and it was able to reach that. Good morning everyone. So the high of the morning is 87.25, and prior to now, VPOC was at 80. So it migrated from 28 to 80, and now it's down. So interesting. I don't think that we will see highs today. I think that what I'm seeing, let's open up the scenarios. All right, okay, oops. All right, so I think that the upper side line of the sand is gonna be, if it passes 67, it will go to 78, but I don't think we'll see a high. And then if it passes 45, we'll go down to 32. So it's gonna be inside range in between those numbers. So scenarios, one goes down to 51, and then all the way up to 67, and then a little dip, and then all the way up to 80 or 42. I doubt it will happen, but you never know. scenario 2 all the way down to 45, closing the gap back up to 52, or maybe even yesterday's high 57, and then coming down. I think that scenario 2 is the one that we will see today. And then scenario 3, 65, 32, and then up maybe to 45, and then all the way down to 20. And then scenario 4 just shoot all the way up to 80 and then work itself down. But I think that's gonna be scenario 1. So yeah, it's gonna be very hard to pass. It seems like during RTH it's just having a hard time having enough push to pass certain numbers. So 67 is going to be tough, and 50. Okay, we may be inside of this range until it decides if it wants to go and test the upper highs or upper lows. Okay, so we have our stat at the opening, so market will want to visit POC, which we're right on it, so that's going to be out of the way. We are opening out of balance because yesterday's balance high is at 45 and balance low is 27. So again, if market opens out of balance, it's going to go and shoot up all the way to 4,200, or it's going to try to come back into balance. Again, it's either going to keep out of balance and try to find higher prices, or it's going to fall into balance where it's a known bet. It knows that it will find buyers. Okay? On the overnight volume profile is a double distribution with a empty tail to the downside. Okay, so at the opening, I think that it will test up and then come all the way down. So today, I think the bet is outside in. Now, where's the outside? There's always the $1 million question. Okay, so maybe we could try to figure out where the middle in and then middle is, and then we could try to have an idea of where the outside in is. So as far as the overnight volume needs to be filled between 76 and 68, and then between 58 all the way down to closing the gap to 43. Okay, so but yeah, it's gonna be challenging. Let's take a look where POC is. POC right now is, hold on, let me clear all of my past POCs. Yes, so we are right at yesterday's POC's high. But right now, we're going to open up with POC at 41.61. Tomorrow, I don't think I will trade. I will not trade tomorrow. Again, end of the month. And don't want to give any money back. Powell will be speaking tomorrow. I don't even think that I'll look at the market because I know that I'll be tempted. So, yeah, and it looks like the market is waiting for all of these reasons to tell us that, oh, now there's a reason to go short. You know, all of this is a game, okay? And you just have to figure out what rules they're playing by. Once you figure out those rules, then you're able to have a plan, able to have an idea of where the market is trying to go. So we don't set the rules, we just try to stay within their rules and follow their trend. Okay? All right, we got 4 minutes. Let's start looking here. So market came down from morning highs. Let's take a look at an overnight real quick, the whole overnight. So, all right, let's see. So, the market, it closed at 46, 47 area. I usually go by the top of the hour cash close. I don't do the extended 15 minutes, and I don't do the extended settlement at 45 after. I always do the cash. So when it opened, big volume sell all the way down to 45. So maybe someone wasn't able to clear trades, or maybe they were buying already. And that brought the market all the way down to 43, and then the market just started to migrate up, and then at, I think it was Asia or European Open, it just shot straight up, huge volume, all the way up to the highs, and then it just gradually started to come back down. So we are exactly where the market shot up. Okay, so that move started at 58, and now we are back to 58. So we are starting at neutral. So whoever got caught on that move is back to break even. So now again is a fair playing ground. So this is why I don't think we will visit the high, because we are already recovered all of that. So no one is stuck here at 58 trying to scale. If we were maybe at 76, then maybe it would have tested the high again and come all the way back down to where it started. So nobody in the RTH is stuck either at the high, right? Because the market is opening now, new orders are being put in now. So this is why I don't think that we will see the high. But again, we all know trading is random. We just have to try to follow their lead. All right, we got 3 minutes here. I'm gonna take a quick restroom break. I'll be right back. All right, guys, here we go. And today is gonna be my payday. I'm gonna request a check today because I don't think I'm gonna trade tomorrow. Either I request on Thursdays or Friday. Cutoff time for Ninja and Dorman is 11 p.m. Central. So I'm gonna decide if I'm gonna do it now or not. Here we go, guys. Put the squawk box on. All right, here we go. Okay, so where are we opening? Okay, so we have our all right, so we're moving down. So we are starting to Pac-Man the gap. So line in the sand, 50, then 45. But if it passes 45, it's going to go all the way down to 32. So if we see the 50, that will be the clue. If we see a 50, that will be the clue.
Sell volume spike.
They're selling. This was probably the entry right here, right there. It tested. And I was looking somewhere else and I didn't see it. I was looking at a volume bar, and so this could be another entry right here. All right, I'm gonna go for it. Oh, my ATM's. I mean, oh, whoa, my ATM's not on.
Sell volume spike.
All right, my ATM's not on. Bummer. I gotta do this all manually. And I put only one tick. I mean, one contract. Well, all right. I'll start with some chips here. Not much, but maybe I'll add a couple more here.
Volume spike.
Oh, I can't. I'm trying to add more, and it's saying I can't because I have already a ATM strategy. If it doesn't pass 53, I'm gonna add. Actually, 54. Oh, that's it. Why is it? Oh, I have to cancel this other one too. Come on, cancel. What the hell? Why isn't it canceling? I can't cancel this trade. I could have had a better entry. What the hell was that? It wouldn't let me cancel. Ah, I could have had 2 more points. What a bummer. Thank you, Sean.
Yes, YouTube.
The hell was that? It just wouldn't let me add. So what do I have going on here? Make sure that everything is okay here. All right. All right, let me make sure that I am at the right spot. I actually want to be at 75. I'm going to do 46. 46. So it can all stop here, guys. Remember? 49 was the line in the sand. Oh, and I think it did. Wow, it bounced right off of it. All right, I may get stopped out here. I need to be at 56.50. Oh. Wow. I think my trade's dead. I wish I'd gotten a better entry. No bueno. It's gonna stop me out. Got too involved and was not paying attention on the numbers. Yeah. So I'm gonna screw up my P&L risk and take a chance here, and I'm gonna raise it to 60, and I may add an opening price. So you know what, I'm gonna leave it. I'll just take DL. I'll just take it. I don't want to start with a huge loss here. Right, so yeah, horrible P&L. I'm risking 325 to make 200 bucks. That is horrible. But I'm stuck. I'm stuck. I am stuck. Wish I had 2 ES. I would split it, and I would bring the other one down to either 40 or to 32. So I'll be happy if this goes to target. So first stat is gonna be making a new low, right? New low. And also reaching the value area high of yesterday, which is at 45. So 45 will be first, and then making a new low if it's able to. But it seems that 49 is holding. Yeah, I wish I had a better entry. All right, I'm gonna start here with a chase, and I'll try maybe to take a short at opening price, or I'll start looking for that long. So actually I gotta lower a little bit this gap, and we're ready. Pac-Man some of the gap. Right. Now where is this new alarm sound coming from, I don't know. Negative delta, POC has moved down, so market is accepting new lows. So it may want to visit prior POC, which also, I didn't see it, it had lowered from 61 to the opening to 59. And now it moved even lower. So market may want to challenge VWAP, which is at 57 or prior POC at 59. So either way, I'm screwed. So either I move the stop, but this could be the move to challenge the upper line in the sand. So I'm just gonna go and take the loss. I had a little hiccup with my ATM. Should have gotten a better price, and then I would have been able to move my stop, but right now I can't. All right, what's up with this alarm? That is annoying. Yes, welcome. All right, here we go. So what it could be happening now is that it could be filling in the volume so it's able to move lower. So at the area was where the lines in the sand were, it could be filling in slowly, so then doesn't have to abruptly go through a low volume node. That's what we could be seeing. So if we were doing outside in, 54 would be the top, but most likely it's around 53. So I'm gonna go crazy here, and I'm gonna add if I see a 53. Make sure that everything is set. High risk trade, very high risk trade in my opinion, but it looks like it's struggling to see higher prices. But again, we have VWAP and we have prior POC. So high risk trade to the upside. And I'm gonna go ahead and move my stop. And I'm gonna try to improve
market volume stop buy.
My target here. Let's go to 32. So this will mean market making new lows. So first step is for the market to go negative, right? That would be the first step, market going negative. All right, they're selling, but we're getting buyers at POC. So high risk trade, we have VWAP above, POC above, But I think if the market was gonna stay to the upside, it would have stopped at the 70s. It wouldn't have came all the way down. It would have left the gap closure for tomorrow. That's what I'm seeing. I could be completely full of shit and wrong, but that's what I'm seeing. If you're new to the channel, all I ask is for you to give me a thumbs up, help the algo so other traders can find us.
Quick spot check across markets.
Here we go.
Major indices ranging between negative 0.2 and 0.3% or so for the Russell outperforming along with the Nasdaq. Dow Jones is the underperformer, being weighed on by Salesforce after their earnings, where they cut guidance, seeing the stock quite a bit lower. Looking at some other stock specifics as well, just worth bearing in mind. Tesla, they have actually paired a few market strength down into territory after stock splits.
So past 49 and then 46. If we pass that, we are home free. 49 and 46.
On the downside, some more defensive sectors.
Let's see if we can find some sellers here at the mid.
Look elsewhere, treasuries. Looking at the 10-year, it's a bit flat in the session. It's a bit downside after the data earlier on. Again, overall data was relatively positive, with the Q2 data could be deemed a bit stale, but nonetheless it was quite encouraging. Some other revisions there. The jobs claims as well, also encouraging, coming in lower than expected, within some of the fears around the employment sector. And look elsewhere, gold has been coming off.
I'm gonna give myself one more tick here. So trying to find trying to find sellers at opening price here, but I think I'm doomed.
Dollar as well, lows, dollar index in the red currently, past 108.58. More euro dollar has fallen back in parity once again. As of 99.65, but most of the paper just get some chunky effects, expiries in the top of the hour.
We are a VWAP, trying to find sellers here. Otherwise, it should stop at.
Yes, you too. By volume spike.
At 60. Come on, where are my sellers? So which scenario are we on now? So we went all the way down.
Yes, you too. Market volume stock buy.
Scenario 1, all the way down to 50. Back up to 68. Or we could be on 3 also. Down to 50, up to 65, and then all the way down to 32. Right. Need to find some sellers here. Gonna move it one more tick to 50. And that is my last move. So risking 900 bucks on the ES and MES. Yeah, so $1,500 loss. Right. Hopefully I'll find some sellers here. Come on, where are my retailer VWAP sellers? Let's go. So I need to be careful with the mid. It could be a launching pad to go all the way up to 67. So I need hot knife right through the mid. They're starting to sell. Delta has changed to positive.
Today update as Ukraine state gas transit company says Russian natural gas nominations Sucha 42.18 meters for the 6th compared to 52.7
High interest at 16 a quarter. There are 176 orders waiting. All right, here comes the heat. Again, this could be a launching pad. I need to see at least a 50 and a quarter. I need to see a 50 and a quarter.
Yes, YouTube. Market volume stop sell.
Oh, hitting a whole bunch of stops at POC. So people went long at POC. They're getting stopped out. So again, this could be a launching pad for the market to go straight up. Just in case there's a stock pick. So this could actually be a long entry, guys. So if you are on the long bias, this could be it. So we are in between VWAP and POC. Who's gonna win?
Market volume stop sell.
Delta already lost 500, so this could be a perfect A, B, C down all the way to closing the gap. So I'm gonna have to, if it keeps on coming down, I'm gonna have to keep an eye out at 42 because that could be the end of ABC. ABC, and then resume the trend up. So first step is to see a 50.50.
Absorption, yes.
Oh, absorption sell. That is good. That's what I want to see. Where are my sellers here? Oh.
Yes, YouTube. Market volume stock buy.
We could see a stock pick here, right at VWAP. Fuel to come down. Delta is back up again. Nope, they are buying. All right, so that could have been right there, launching pad to go up. All right, I think I'm in trouble.
Yes, YouTube. Market volume stock buy.
Yeah, that whole thing with the ATM kind of screwed me up a little bit. Kind of gave me a FOMO feeling. Oh man, I should have been short 5. All right, I'm out. I'm gonna give myself one more tick here since I'm deep already. Let's see if we can find some sellers here, but I doubt it. All right, this is gonna hurt already. Yeah, I'm out. All right, so I'm negative 958 on the ES and 534.
Yes, YouTube. Market volume stock buy.
All right, I'm gonna take one more trade. If I get stopped out, I'm gonna take a break, maybe look at it again, or I'm gonna be done. Again, I do not want to give any profits
Yes,
back.
By me.
I think I've only had 1 or 2 losses this August, so I'm having a great month. So I'm gonna start looking for a short if it can't pass 67. So now we are at the upper end of line in the sand between 67 and 78. So I'm gonna start looking for the market to fail up here. There's interest at 70. We're almost at the first IB.
Yes, YouTube. Market volume stop buy.
So if I wasn't caught on that short, I would have gone long right here at the launching pad. I hope somebody listened. Ah, thank you. Thank you. Thanks, Ted. Yeah, with age, I keep forgetting to do stuff. Thank you. All right, I should be all clear now. All right, I should be all out with all of them. Thanks, Ted. Appreciate that. All right. Looking for an outside in now. And if it happens, I think it will be fast. I don't think it will challenge.
Like Medtronic and DT. The FDA says Medtronic is where HV LED system batteries, electrical faults that cause battery failure. And there's no Medtronic reports about 1,100 claims, 6 injuries compared to this issue.
So if we see a 6250 before seeing a 68, it has failed. It needs to keep going up. Here we are. Can it pass?
Yes, YouTube. Market
Already
volume
hitting
stop
stops. It's struggling. Another stop.
buy. Yes, YouTube. Market volume stop buy.
They're buying, but no volume. They're countering with sells.
Yes, YouTube. Market volume stop buy.
Look at the volume, guys. Very low in this move, huh? Very low. It's starting to look like exhaustion. The top was right there, and now it's all fluff. Oh, now it's raising.
Yes, YouTube. Market volume stop buy.
It's struggling. That was a really nice launching pad, huh? Wow. That was beautiful. Boom. 20 points up. 20 points up. I just missed on. All right, I'm going to take a short. That's it. I'm going short. This is going to be my last trade. It's going to be my last trade. Whoa.
Yes, YouTube. Market volume stop buy.
Right as I get in. Wow, right as I get in. All right, guys, I'm done. I'm at my limit. Right as I... Hold on. I'm going to watch one more time here. I think has spent itself.
Yes, YouTube. Sell volume spike.
All right, I'm done, guys.
Yes, YouTube. Market volume stop buy.
So we already reached 2 targets to the upper side. All right, let's watch. So next target is all of this right here. All gap closure. All gap closure. So definitely scenario 1 down to 51, 67, dropped a little bit, which was actually not 57, it was 57, and then launched all the way up to the 70s. So a lot of interest at 80. There's 322 orders waiting at 80. So first IB in. All right, so either now is collecting itself to go all the way up to 80, or it's starting to fail. So it could be picking up stops right here to just launch up. Or we have reached that top line in the sand. So between 67 and 78 is the upper line in the sand.
get to above 3.4% and perhaps sit there for a while. Further from markets is indicating we need to raise more, we should do that. So yeah, just here from the FTMO market, it states that once it's get to above 3.4 and perhaps it's sit there for a little while. This terminal is currently between 3.7 and 4%, so it's just slightly inside that area. Just in terms of the ceiling itself, so you want to see the next inflation reading before deciding.
But solid move in this launch pad, huh?
Earlier in the session on that front.
Hope somebody took that one.
In terms of the magnitude, the market does stay 50 basis points, that will still constitute a substantial move.
So if we can't see a 72 and a quarter, it's gonna go all the way up to 80. If we see a 70, it's starting to fail. And it's gonna go all the way down to mid. Oh,
Yes, YouTube. Market volume stop sell.
starting to hit some stops. Volume's starting to rise on the sell side here. All right, if we don't see a 76, I'm going short. Again, I don't think the market is gonna make big moves. It's gonna stay within the high and the low. They want to wait for tomorrow. All right,
Yes, YouTube.
let's go.
Market volume stop sell.
Challenge the mid. Challenge the mid. This is gonna be my last trade. Actually, we'll go. I think that will go all the way down to opening price. Come on, challenge the mid. Let's go. Let's go.
Yes, YouTube. Market volume stop sell.
I gotta see a 68. If I don't see a 68, it ain't gonna go. We got VWAP at 61. So need to pass 65 and need to pass 63.
Yes, YouTube. Sell sweep.
We could pass that, boom, it's going to target. They're trying to buy here, but they also sold. If it goes up a little bit and it fails at 73.75, I'm gonna add. So if it fails here, I'm adding. That's gonna be my last trade. It's coiling up. I want to see a 68.
Yes, YouTube. Market volume stop sell.
Here we go. Hopefully it will
Yes,
bounce
YouTube.
off a little bit here,
Stop sell.
and then I'm gonna add. Let's see how it reacts. Or I could even add here. All right, if I see it fail at 70, I'm gonna add.
Yes, YouTube. Market volume stop sell.
I don't want to see a 72. Hit a whole bunch of stops at 67. Here we are. Needs to fail now. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's go. I need another red bar here. This bar needs to end in the red. This bar needs to end red. Otherwise, I'm doomed. Come on, come on. I need to see a 68 again. I need to see a 68 before a 74. Oh. I don't want to see a 74. 73.75 needs to hold right here. Give myself one more tick here. Come on, hold, hold, hold. This is it. This is it. I need to see a 68.50. 68.50. $68.50. Come on, come on. Start by showing me a 69.25. First step to pass is right here. Oh! I hope that was spent. It's not holding. All right, guys. This, I'll be done for the day. I'm not even gonna look in the afternoon.
Yes, YouTube. Market volume stock buy.
Yeah, it's gonna be a major loss for me. Major loss of profits. So, but still, end of the month, I don't want to be giving a whole lot back. All right, it did not hold. It did not hold.
Yes, YouTube. Market volume stock buy.
I'm gonna give myself one more chance here, but I doubt it. I doubt it. I'm already deep, but I doubt it. We're at that top.
Yes, YouTube. Market volume stock buy.
Has to fail right now. They're selling. Big ledge at 76, 75.50. That is the last stronghold, 75.50. And it's gonna be painful if I get stopped out here. But most of the volume bars now are all on the sell side. I think buyers are spent. Again, I need to see a 68. 68. But 70 will be the first step, will be 70. We could pass this. I may be in the clear.
Yes, YouTube. Market volume
It
stock
looks
buy.
like Delta has topped. I think we are at the top. There's a lot of volume that needs to be filled all the way to 47.
Yes, YouTube. Market volume stop sell.
If I see it pass 63, I'm gonna split my trade. You know, I'm gonna split it now just in case, but oh. So it stopped right at that 70, huh? Right at 70. POC is up. So market is accepting higher prices, or somebody just cleared with a big order and they are done. Longs are done, or also maybe a big buy order. But it looks like it could be struggling making new highs here. So, two scenarios: either somebody cleared or someone just bought. So, natural move is to go and test prior POC, which moved all the way from 52. So most likely it's clearing of orders, but we won't know until we see a new high. IB about to set in, so IB stat will start. So either market would like to make a new high or a new low. I don't remember when it was, either Monday or Tuesday. I said that probably a low possibility of the market migrating all the way across IB to make a IB low, and it did that. So we were close to IB high, and instead it just went for IB low. So this could be a copy of the other day. These are the things that we need to remember. The market repeats itself, but it tries not to make it obvious. So first step is to see it get under 70. Big volume bar now. Big volume. If we don't see it past 76, it's going down. So big.
Unfortunately, yes.
So we have a big volume bar here without making a new high. That is a tell that it's spent, that we're not finding new buyers. So it has to make a new high now. We just saw a absorption buy. So it may start to fail here. Market picking up stops right now.
Yes, YouTube. Market volume stop buy.
Just hit a 519 stop.
Yes, YouTube. Market volume stop buy.
Oh, it looks like I'm gonna be hit. All right, horrible day for me. I'm out. All right, guys, I am done. Horrible day. Gave back one full day of trading. Yeah, 4,500 negative. That is horrible. All right, guys, I'm done. I said I was gonna be careful, and I didn't. Yeah, so definitely scenario 1. Yep. So where is it gonna stop? I don't know. But we came down, went up, came down a little bit, and all the way up. Good for you. So 80 target hit. Ooh, this looks like... Yeah. Alright guys, I am done. So most likely I will not trade tomorrow, especially after this loss. Oh, and here comes, oh yeah. That looked 82. That was the move. Yeah, that's it, guys. I'm done. All right. Hope you guys took the opposite of me and took that launching pad all the way up. I missed it, and then I got stuck on the short bias. But you can't win them all. So this is probably my second loss of August, because I do not want to make a bad day into a horrible day. But there could be a test here. So IB is going to be in. The high with no volume at all. That could be a tell. Look at that. High with 0 buyers. That could be a tell. I am tempted to take one more. Look at that. 0 buyers on the high. It cannot find any more buyers. All right, I'm going to go for it. Oh, man. I hope I'm not stuck on a bias here. But that could be a big tell. 0 buyers. I mean, look at that. 0 buyers. That has to be a tell. They just could not find any more. Alright, just trying to make my money back now. Gotta be careful not to revenge trade, but I definitely need to add. And where to add is the trick. Come on, come on. Yeah. We have noticed that. I mean, look at that. 0.
It's from FTMO,
Another high and very low volume again. Look at that, another one, very low volume. It's not finding any buyers.
Yes, YouTube. Market volume stopped by.
It just hit a stop. This could be the fuel to come back down.
Yes, YouTube.
All right, this is it. I'm gonna go big now. Last trade. This is gonna be officially my last trade. There's no way I could take any more. No way. I'll be given 3 days back. Or 2 days back. So another high, very low volume. We are inside the gaps. IB is in. Now we're starting to see a big volume here. This needs to turn into a red bar. If it turns green, I am doomed. It turned green. So either it's trying to pick up fuel to keep going, or it's done. I need to see it past 76. 76 is going to be the line in the sand here on the downside.
Yes, YouTube. Market volume
76
stopped
to 73. If we could pass this, And now this could be a stop pick, fuel to go up. Whole bunch of volume and nothing is happening. Someone could be out of bullets. A lot of volume to the downside needs to be filled. So is it going to be filled today? Don't know. Another big volume bar here needs to make a new high, otherwise they are spent. Come on, here we go, here we go. Keep going, keep going. Need to hot knife right through 79. Otherwise, it's going to be a stop pick to launch up. So IB stat is in. So definitely not, we will not see a new low. That is out of the picture. But we could see a migration back to the middle. Thank you. Yeah, me too, man. Did not want to have a big loss after having so many great days. I may have to, if I end up with this loser, I'm gonna have to change my check order. Don't want to do that. Come on, where are my sellers? Let's go. So IB stat is broken. Usually when it breaks IB stat, it likes to go for a big push. So next stat is to make a new high or a new low, and we are here. A new high, right? So chances are I am doomed. Alright, I tried. It's gonna hurt. Oof. So what interest do we have on the upside? 200 orders waiting at 85. They just added 87.50, 195. They just added 90, 189.
Yes, YouTube. Price read. Yes, YouTube. Market volume stock buy.
Yeah, all picking up fuel here. Boom. Launch up. So need to get under 80, otherwise all of this gonna be a stop pick to launch all the way to new highs. Yeah, I'm doomed. Got stuck on the short bias. Missed that beautiful move. Launch pad. Boom. All the way up. All the way up. Tesla style. New satellite. Meow. Yeah, I can't take any more risk. I cannot move the stop anymore. That's it. To be safe, I should be at 91, but that is way too much. I cannot do that. But 91 is the safe bet. But I'll be adding another $1,000. No way. Yeah, horrible day. I'm gonna be negative $5,000. Oh my God, it got bad. My biggest loss in quite some time. Well, you can't win them all. You can't win them all. Yeah. Can't win them all. So I think this will be my second loss of the month, but wow, gave back a lot. Yeah, there's no way I'll be trading tomorrow. No way. Still have a chance here, but hopefully it's coming. I still have a chance. They are selling a shitload here. Yeah, I need to see a 73. 73 is the number. But first step will be 77 and then 73. Oh, I forgot to do my range extension. So 58 is the open. So 41.58. So 42.01 is the upside of the range extension. So 42.01 is the upside, and then the downside, which we'll probably not see, it's 41.15, which I'm not even gonna bother to do. But yeah, downside is 41.15, upside is, so it may test 4200. So this here could be a launching pad to go up all the way to 4200. So this here could have been, where was it? Right at 82.25. Yeah, this right here could be a stock pick right here. Right here could be a stock pick to go up. Yeah, low volume on the sell here, so yeah, that could have been the stop pick right here. Yeah, horrible day. Wow. Oh well, you can't win them all. Can't win them all. Yeah, I should have just gone out here and just launched with it. But in my mind, I was thinking, oh well, now you're chasing.
Yes, YouTube. Market volume stock sell.
You're chasing. But this was the entry. None of this took
Yes, YouTube.
was
Market
clear
volume stock sell.
to me here as a long. None of this was clear, so I would have not taken a long here. But this here where I called out, that is where I would have gone long. And to go long now at the top, only if I was adding.
Yes, YouTube.
Either way,
Volume stock sell.
market needs to fill in a lot of volume between 80 and 71, and then from 67 all the way down to 47. So
Unfortunately, yes.
if it passes 80, there could be a short opportunity. It could bounce off of 71 and then launch again to 82. So if it passes 71, most likely it will go to my target. So all of this right here, all of these boxes, all need to get filled. So it might happen at the end of the day. So all of these right here, all of this needs to get filled. All of this right here. So there may be a short opportunity at the end of the day. Yeah. And that's was that our support? I don't think it was it? What is the support again? Support is at 4110 and 4100. So resistance now may be 50. So 50 may turn into resist. No, I mean it may turn into support. I had written down that 50 and 60 was resistance, so now it may turn into support. So IB stat is done. So all of this is the IB stat. Usually it likes to take a run higher and then just come back and test, or just keep going. Oh, POC has moved up again. So are they buying again? Last time they bought. Now it's at 82.50. So market is accepting higher prices. So it moved from 74 and a quarter to 82. So again, either someone just bought more or they clear trades. So now that upper line in the sand could turn into resistance. I'm sorry, support. So 67 could turn into support.
Yes, usually yes. Market volume stock sell. Yes, YouTube. Market volume stock sell.
But I would think that it would want to fill this area. But yeah, if it goes to my target, I'll make all of my money back. And some, if I keep it. Yeah, if I keep it together, I'll make 800 bucks. Just on the ES. But again,
Yes, YouTube.
now line in the
Market
sand
volume
is
stock sell.
67. All right, I'm gonna go on a wild goose chase here. Never know. May get lucky.
Absorption, yes. Yes, YouTube. Market volume stock sell.
Wow, if I could make it alive, I'm a magician. If I make out a life out of this, I'm a magician. Oh my God.
Yes, YouTube. Market volume stock sell.
They could all end at 75. Oh my God. The king of the comebacks.
Market volume stock sell.
Oh God. Well, I don't want to ruin it now. Oh my God, incredible. Their first time, absolutely incredible. They were talking about it the whole night after I left. I asked my daughter and they just couldn't stop talking about it. But I'm sore. Oh my God. My arm is sore. My back is sore. I haven't bowled in probably 7 years. But so beautiful to see how, the little things. So we had In-N-Out Burger, and then we had bowling. It was a lot of fun. A lot of fun. Thank you for asking. Yeah. Grandkids are the best. You get to go and fix all of the shit you got wrong with your kids. absolutely the best. Oh, we just hit a stop here. Just hit a stop. I'm sorry, not a stop, an iceberg, 600 and a quarter. Yeah, I need to see a 73. Now it's 73. Yeah, bowling is a lot of fun. I love bowling. I don't do it often, but it was so cheap too. It was like $50. You paid for 1 hour and you got an hour free. 6 shoes, 1 lane for 2 hours for $50. That is incredible value. You know, can't beat that. I thought I was gonna spend like $150 when the guy said, "Okay, that's $48." I go, "What?" Well, yeah, it's $48, and you have 2 hours. I go, "Okay, wow, thank you." All right, still not out of the weeds here. Need to see a 73. This could all be a stock pick right here. Stop pick, launch. Wish I had more room to secure my stop to entry, but you know what? I am done taking risks, so I am just gonna lower it to the high. That's it. If it's gonna make it back up, it's gonna take me out. So I'm gonna figure out where the high is right here. Hold on. So yeah, 85.75. That's it. I'm done. If it comes into a stop pick, I'm done. Because if it's done going up, it should stop here. It won't need a stop pick. There'll be enough fuel here for shorts. All right, so it's starting to fill some of that volume area already. It's getting smaller and smaller, so it could all stop at 71. This could be the launch pad for a new high. So if you're on the long side, this could be it right here, guys. So watch out for a long at 74. It will not be enough room for me to bring my stop down. I need to be at least at 66 in order to bring my stop to even, to entry. So hopefully that was a clearing of trades or selling at the POC 82. All right, here comes the losers. Get a life. So in order for not to be a launch pad, we need to pass 70, but then there is VWAP at 67. So it could all be over here. Hit the upper band of volume that needs to get filled, and it could bounce. So if it doesn't bounce off of here, it could bounce off of here. Obviously there will be buyers at the mid. All right, that volume area is gone. That is filled. Now, can it keep going? So here's that 74 area. Here's the launch pad. If you believe we're gonna make new highs, this could be the entry. I don't want to see a 76. If we see a 76, 78.50, it is going back up. So true line in the sand is 67, so right there, the mid. Need to hot knife right through 67. Got interest at 70, 219 orders waiting. Looks like 76 is holding. Need to see a 68. Next obstacle right here. So we got VWAP, we have mid, and we have that line in the sand, which was resistance, and now it could be support. POC has moved down. So POC has moved down to prior POC. Now it's back at 74. So market accepting lower prices. Or somebody just cleared.
Yes, YouTube. Market calling stock sell.
Yeah. Here we go, here we go. Show me a 68. Show me a 68. Come on, hot knife right through 67. If I see it hot knife through 67, I may combine them all at 58. Struggling a little bit, hitting a few stops. Again, we're still in that launch pad area. All of this could all be a launch. Do not want to see a 76. I need to see a 67 or a 68 before a 76. There we go. Can't wait for the World Cup. I'm excited. Brazil's a great team. I'm excited. We may get our cup back. There's some incredible kids right now on the team. Wish I didn't hate crowds, otherwise I would go, but I can't stand crowds. People bumping into you, and yeah, not a fan. Thank you, I appreciate that. Interest at 70 has risen. Now it's 245. Yeah, exactly. And I mean, and if you can't afford great tickets, you're looking at the screen anyways, right? So if you're all the way in the nosebleed, you're looking at the screen inside of the stadium. And I got an 85-inch TV here at home. I prefer to watch in my big screen than on the big screen in the stadium. Watered down beer. Yeah, not. I didn't even go to Brazil in the World Cup. All my family, come down. I said, no, I'm not going to. Nope. So I didn't go. Maybe one day I'll take my son, or if I have a grandson, just so I could experience with them. But me personally, and I've seen World Cups, but I was young. Now at my age, in my 50s, no, I don't care. Right, 75.25 is the line in the sand. Oh yes, that loves some eye candy. Right, need to hot knife right through 70 all the way to 68. Nice. I was at the Rose Bowl too. Yeah, I seen the Olympics in 1984. Brazil play quite a few games at the Rose Bowl. Ciao, bello. Come on, show me that 68. All right, looks like it's picking fuel to go right through 70. I trade the MES so I could show people that are passing, trying to pass evaluations, that you can make money with the MES. But my true bread and butter is the ES. But I am taking double risk or double profit here by trading both. When I first started the channel with the evaluation stuff in mind, I was just showing the MES, but you know, hey, I'm an ES trader, so might as well show. But if you are in an evaluation, do not stay in reality. Do not trade ES. Stay with the MES until you have at least $50,000. But if you are on the MES, do not follow me on these amount of contracts. You should be trading max 2 and no, max 5. I'm sorry. Here we go. Hot knife right through 70. I'm only negative $1,000 now on the ES. Right. All right, guys. I'm gonna have to go and focus here because it could all end at 67, and I may have to jump ship, as they say. Definitely looks like Delta has peaked. Here we go. Hot knife, hot knife. Yes. Here it is right here, guys. It's gonna a whole bunch of stops, a whole bunch of buy sweeps, absorption buys, one sell. Come on, keep going, keep going, keep going. It's struggling. It's finding buyers. All right, stop to entry, stop to entry. It could all end here. Come on, come on. $600 negative combined now. Come on, where are my sellers? Let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Hot knife right through. Hot knife right through. Come on, come on.
Yes, YouTube. Market volume stop sell.
Finding buyers. Go, 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 go. A lot of interest at 60. There's 240 orders at 60. Come on, get me out, get me out. Oh, I'm tempted to put everything at 60. All right, I'm gonna go for it. Oh, that could be crazy. Come on, come on. Go, 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 go. If I get out of this, I'm done. There's the comeback kid. Oh, go, go, go. Go. Go, 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 go. Come on, come on. All right, 6. Come on, come on. Go, 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 go. Come on, keep going, keep going. Finding buyers, but enough sellers at 60 to keep going. Come on, come on. Keep going. I'm afraid of VWAP now. It's a 67. Oh, come on, come on. It may try to go up to 68 to find sellers. If it does that, this could be a launching pad to go all the way down to 55. Come on, come on. Thank you. Me too. Me too. Oh my God. Oh. Come on, come on. Perseverance. Stick to the plan. That's the whole idea. Stick to your plan. Go, 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 go. Oh my God.
The volume stop sell.
They're selling. Hit it, hit it, hit it. All right, I'm not gonna be greedy. I'm not gonna be greedy. Get me out, get me out. First in line, first in line. Hot knife, go, 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 go. Oh, it's struggling. I'm positive already. Come on, last push, last push. Get that baby out. Oh! Come on, no! Maybe a stop pick here. Oh, they're buying.
Yes, YouTube. Market volume stop buy.
They're buying. Here we go, here we go. Oh, they're buying. They may want to go to VWAP. So this could be the launch pad. Oh my God, we're so close. God, these damn people, get out of my chat. Come on, here we go, here we go. Come on, where are my sellers? Let's go. Get me out of here. Come on. I do have good patience. I practice that. Not done yet. I am not done yet. It could all turn on me right now. All right. I gotta protect some of these. All right, I need to find a haven here. Where am I? 73. Yeah. I should be safe there. But hopefully we will find sellers here. But I want to see a hit target before, but it could be going to VWAP. I do not want to see a 7150. All right, they're buying. Oh my God, that was so close. come on. Where are my sellers? I'm still positive. If I exit now, I'll be $400 positive. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Sell, 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 sell. Come on, come on. Here we go. Here we go. They're trying to block it. So just because there are interests at a price doesn't mean it's gonna go there. Because if it's under price, it's buyers, right? So we think it's buyers, but it could be sellers. But obviously if it's under a price, it should be buyers, but you never know what is the true intention of a parked order. Come on, where are my sellers? Here we go, here we go. Sellers are taking control again. Hot knife right through 61. Yeah, I don't want to risk it though. I just went out. I'll take a small win. I'm gonna be done. I will be done. I'll take the small win. Go, 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 go. Yes, hit it, hit it. Yes! Oh, yes! Woo! Yes! Oh my God, yes! Stick to the plan, perseverance, never give up.
Yes, you
Come back, kid. Yes!
Topstep.
Woo! Oh my God, it almost turned into a horrible day. Oh! Yes! All right. 1,500 bucks. Went from almost 4,000 negative to 1,500 bucks positive. Oh my God. Wow. So it could still be going, still have all of this volume area, but this could be the area to buy and go all the way back up to 74. Obviously, they're going to be buyers here. I am done. There is no way I'm going to take any more trades. Hell no. And
Yes, you too.
what time is it?
Topstep.
What time is it?
Yes, you too. Buy volume spike.
I have time to put in a check order. I'm going to do it right now. Right now, check order.
Yes,
Guys,
you too. Market volumes Topstep.
I'm going to look away. Well, I'm not in a trade anyways, but I'm going to put in a check order right now. Payday. Always pay yourself. I always request a check. Never wire. I'm cheap. I don't want to get charged. Or I'm frugal. I'm not cheap. I'm frugal. Alright. Here we go. Account name. So have to 11 o'clock Central Time. Chicago's 10:26 now. So as long as I do it now, it will be processed today. I'm still waiting on my checks from last week. Hasn't arrived yet. Usually it arrives by Tuesday or Wednesday. Currency, US dollar amount. I'm not gonna tell you guys. And click I'm not a robot and submit. Processing. Thank you. Thank you for completing the online withdrawal request form. You will receive a confirmation email once the request has been approved. Yes. All right. Thank you. Thank you. Exactly. Yes. Oh my God. For a second, I thought, but if you guys remember what I said at the opening, I doubt that the market is going to make a new high. I think that it's waiting for tomorrow. I think it's waiting for tomorrow. All right, guys, I am done. Thank you. I appreciate it. Thank you, Richard. Thank you for everyone. If you're new to the channel, if you don't know, I just ask for a thumbs up. You don't have to be a subscriber. I'm not looking to make money with YouTube, but if you could just help me out with a thumbs up so other traders can come and trade with us and learn. That's all I ask. Okay? I appreciate you all, and I will see you probably Monday. I'm not going to trade tomorrow. I'm going to go and trade the last 2 days of August, and or maybe even not. But you know, I always say no and I end up trading. But tomorrow I'm not even going to look at the market, because I know that tomorrow is going to be hectic. Thank you. God bless you too. Tomorrow will be hectic. So if you're going to trade, I'd suggest sim trading or just watching. I don't believe in sim trading. You know, I think it's fake. Everybody, you know, sorry ladies, everybody grows a pair of balls when they're sim trading. So I do not believe in sim trading. I don't think it's good. I only think it's good if you are trying to learn the platform. If you're trying to learn the platform, then yes. Yeah, I'll leave it up if I'm on a trade, Ben. But like now, there's no way, there's no overnight at all tonight. There's nothing. Major levels have been hit. There is nothing. So I'll only start looking for overnight is if we pass 4,200 or 4,100. That is it. Otherwise, there's no overnight until I see that, because there's no major numbers. We're still inside of a range. Actually, I mean, it's been in a range in 3 time periods: monthly, weekly, and daily. So, you know, market is trying to decide if it's gonna go back up to 4,500 or under 4,000. All right, so I appreciate you all. Thank you, and I'll see you live in the Thunderdome. Thank you, everyone. God bless you all. I hope you guys made some money, or at least took the opposite of my trades, because I am not perfect. Thank you. I'll see you guys. All right, where is my